Hello, Christine Halsey here, and today we're going to look at parallel resistance and power in the branches. This is Lab 3 with parallel circuits. So to determine our branch currents, we use V over R for each branch. I did not correct the label over here. It is 8 volts, not 10 volts. We are using 4.7K, 3.3K, and 1.2K. My individual branch currents add up to a total current of 10.79 milliamps. Given the voltage applied and the resistance, we can use P equals V squared over R to solve for each of the branch power dissipation. Total power dissipation for this circuit, 86.34 milliwatts. I can also use the total current if it's known and use I times V to get the same power. And here's my multi-sim circuit where I verify my calculations. Okay, here I've set my leads up to measure my total current. My red lead is where my power supply would come from, and my black lead is where my power would go into. Now it's going to complete the circuit. I have my red lead in milliamps and my meter turned to milliamps, and I made sure it went to DC. To measure branch 1, I've made an opening down here in branch 1 and completed it with my meter and reading 2.11 milliamps. Now I've created an open in branch 2, completed it with my meter. Let's try that again. I think it was upside down. Branch 2 and 3 milliamps. And my fourth branch, I created an opening, completed it with my meter, and 8.34 milliamps. My apologies, I forgot to change my supply to 8 volts on that one, so I'm gonna reconnect my circuit here. Got the power off. I'm gonna set my leads up to measure the voltage. And before I do this, well, Mr. Lead has to cooperate. I have to put my lead back on voltage, and this is an important part because if we don't, we're going to blow the fuse here. Alright, so now I'm going to go measure voltage. I need it on DC and down to about 8 volts. Okay, now that I've done that, I have to go back through and make all my current measurements again. Okay, so I set up my leads to measure the total current. And then 10.79. Okay, I'm set up to measure my current in branch 1. 1.69. Main opening and measuring branch 2. 2.42. Made my opening and remeasuring branch 3 at 6.69. Much closer. Okay, let's do that right side up. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Sorry about that. Trying to give you a good close-up of how my leads are configured there.